Om Shanti. Today, 16th of November. Let us listen today's Murli highlights. In today's Murli, Shiv Baba has emphasized that become knowledgeable and you will become wealthy for 21 births. Baba says it is Jagadamba, the world mother, who becomes the goddess of knowledge and then the princess. Jagdamba is knowledgeable and she therefore becomes the goddess of wealth in her next birth. You will become wealthy there. Baba says, I guarantee you, you will become ever healthy for 21 births. So why should you not take the medicine of such a surgeon? That is, why should you not follow his Srimad? Baba says, obey the Father's direction, remember me, it is said. Continue to remember God and receive happiness, and all your pain and suffering of the body will end. Baba says, you were calling me, O purifier, come. You understand that you were pure at one time, and you are now become impure. You only ask for something that you have had before and now you longer have. Baba says, you children know that the kingdom of pure deities did exist. Baba says, I am giving you this knowledge. Imbibe this knowledge. It is said that a golden vessel is needed to hold the milk of our loyness. This knowledge is that of Almighty Authority, the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. For this too, you need an intellect like a golden vessel. Baba says it is only through this remembrance your sins will be absolved. You should have concern that not to commit any further sin. Baba says, remove the burden of sin on your heads with the pilgrimage of remembrance before death comes. Remember me so that you will receive a lot of power and your sins will be absolved and you will become powerful. Baba says, in the golden age, everything you will have be golden. The Father gives you Srimad and makes you the masters of the heaven. Baba says, the Father liberates you from the gallows of the demons of death and also from the punishment of a jail of a worm. In heaven you live in the palace of worm. The Father now tells you, children, follow my Srimad. I have come from the faraway land into this impure kingdom and into an impure body. This is the land of Ravan. I come and give you children your inheritance. Baba says, you have performed a lot of devotion. No one else would have donated as much or have performed as much charity as you. You have performed the maximum devotion. Now I have come to give you fruit of your devotion. Baba says there will definitely be a few people in the new world. You can even write in the newspaper in a short time the population of Bharat will be 9 lakh and everyone else will be destroyed. The one religion is now being established. There will be just one language and one custom and system in the new deity kingdom. Baba says only you are called messengers. No one apart from you Brahmins can become a messenger. That the purifier Shiv Baba, the God, has come. The blessing of today's Murli is that may you be a number one businessman and use every second and thought to accumulate an income and thereby become a multi-millionaire. A number one businessman knows the way to keep himself busy. A businessman means someone who does not waste a single thought but earns something with every thought. Just as those businessmen use every penny and make it into multi-millions. In the same way, when you earn something at every second and with every thought, you will become a multi-millionaire. By doing this, your intellect will stop wandering and the complaint of wasteful thoughts will finish. The slogan of today's Murli is that those who ask for something can never have a full treasure of happiness. Om Shanti.